Today, I'm sharing a traditional Gujarati dish with you all called Fajeto, and Fajeto is eaten with Moong Chooti Dal. So today, we are making not one but two dishes, and Fajeto is basically like a kadhi. You can also call it Mango Kadhi. We Gujaratis don't waste anything. So, on the day Aamras is made at home, the peels and the seed that remain, by using its water, a tasty, tangy, and slightly sweet kadhi is made. So let's start making Fajeto. And after making Fajeto, we'll make Moong Chooti Dal, which is the yellow moong dal that's especially eaten with Fajeto and rice. And this combination, here, the Aamras is already made, and how Aamras is made, there's a video for that too. The combination is really amazing. And in the other bowl, I've taken the leftover mango seeds and peels, and I've added 1 cup of water to it. Now, Fajeto is made in 2 ways. One way is where no yogurt or graham flour is used at all, and it's very thin and watery, just like rasam. At my home, that type of Fajeto has been made many times, and the other type is the one we're making today, in which we'll use graham flour and yogurt. That's why you can also call this Mango Kadhi, and I used 4 mangoes and added 1 cup of water. So now let's add the yogurt. I've taken half a cup of yogurt, and this yogurt is slightly sour. And along with the yogurt, we'll add 2 tablespoons of graham flour. And now we'll add a little bit of mango pulp to this mixture, approximately 1/4 cup. Adding this mango pulp is totally optional, but if you do, the kadhi will have a wonderful mango aroma. And now we'll add salt. Let's mix everything well so that there are no lumps of graham flour. See, the kadhi mixture is now ready, but right now, I find it a bit thick. So I'll add about half a cup of water to it so that we can adjust its consistency. So now, to make the Fajeto, we'll add a little oil to a pan, approximately 2 teaspoons. And now for the tempering, we're adding 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and half a teaspoon fenugreek seeds. And along with that, we'll add 1 dried red chili. As soon as the mustard seeds and cumin seeds start to crackle, we'll add a pinch of asafoetida, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And finally, we'll add curry leaves to the tempering. Now, we'll add this mango and graham flour mixture. We'll keep stirring this Fajeto continuously and cook it until it comes to a boil twice. And now, I'll add this to the Fajeto. You can add a small piece of jaggery, or you can skip it if you want. All right, the Fajeto has come to a boil twice, so now let's turn off the heat. And now, let's make something fun and tasty. Moong Chooti Dal. Now, to make Moong Chooti Dal, I have taken this yellow moong dal. It has been soaked for 2 hours, and now we will take it in a pan. I haven't added anything to the pan yet. No oil or tempering, nothing at all. And now, we will add about half a cup of water to the dal. Now, add salt and a little bit of turmeric to the dal. The name of this dal is Chutti Dal. Chutti means it is made as a dry dal. That's why we won't add too much water to it, and we also won't cook it in a pressure cooker. Now, while making the dal, you'll notice that a good amount of foam has formed on top. We'll remove this foam. Now you'll see that the dal is almost cooked, and there's just a little water left. This is the time when we'll add the tempering. For the tempering in this dal, we'll take about 1 tablespoon of oil. Now for the tempering of the dal, we'll only add chili powder and asafoetida. Basically, this Fajeto and Chutti Dal are not very spicy. And now this tempering will go into the moong dal. And now we'll mix this dal and let it cook over high heat for the last 5 minutes so that all the water evaporates. See, all the water has evaporated, and the delicious, tasty Chutti Dal is also ready. And let's turn off the heat for the fajeto as well and quickly plate it up. So here it is. The traditional Gujarati dishes Fajeto, Moong Chooti Dal, and rice are ready. It's done. This Fajeto tastes so good, you know. When we were kids, many times we would leave Aamras and run after Fajeto instead. It's a must-try recipe. Do try this. You all must try these in the summer.